Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce Point. In this video, I am going to discuss about the assessment of individual. Before that, we have discussed about the type of person under the income tax in previous video. So in income tax, there are many type of persons like individual, HUF, BOI, AOP, company, firm, partnership, etc. In this video, we will deeply understood the concept of individual. So our study will based on the four bullets. First, who is individual, and if individual is member of other entity, how will he assessed, and how will the computation of individual income, and lastly we will discuss about the income tax rate assessment year 2021 and 2022. So who is individual? Individual is a natural person, that is human being. So we can say individual would include male, female, minor child and lunatic. In case of lunatic or minor child, his guardian will be file the income tax. And if individual is taxed not only his total income, but also certain cases he may also be assessed income of the other persons. This point indicate that if individual transfer his income without consideration to other, the transferred income will be called the income of individual. So the concept of individual is that individual may be male, female, minor or lunatic. And in second point, if the income is transferred to the other person without consideration, the transferred income will be assessed under the income of transferor individual. Membership of other entity. It means the person or the individual who is member of the other entity, how will he assess? Share of profit received by member of partnership firm is exempt. The partner in partnership firm gets share from the firm, the income will be exempted. But salary, bonus, commission and which has been deducted computation of taxable income or profit or firm, such income assessed as a business income. So profit from the firm will be exempt, but the partner gets commission, payment, salary which is deducted under the income tax. It will be assessed under the head of business. Next, if AOP or BOI member are assessed, there are 2 points where AOP, BOI, NTI is below than exempted limit. It means if net taxable income is below than the exempted limit. For example, the in a association of persons, the person income is lower than 2,50,000. So the total income will be assessed as per the slab rate. But in BOI or AOP, net taxable income is above than the exempted limit, then it will be assessed as a marginal rate, or we can say marginal rate today's like company 25% or 30% plus surcharge 2% and 7% at the different stage. Next, where individual is a shareholder of domestic company, any dividend paid will be exempted in hand of individuals. This point indicate that if individual get the shares from the company and he gets dividend, the dividend is exempted in hand of the individual. Any income from impartable estate is an HUF is taxable in the individual assessment of Karta. So here the Karta means the senior member of HUF or Hindu undivided family. So the income from HUF will be assessed under the income of Karta, or we can say in simple language Karta is a manager. So these points indicate that if an individual is a partner, so how will be he assessed? If individual is the member of BOI and AOP, so how will he assessed? If individual has get share from the domestic company, if individual is the part of HUF, how will be he assessed? Computation. So these point indicate the how will the compute the income of individual. First point is determine the residential status of individual. He may be a resident, he may be resident, ordinary resident, he may be resident but not ordinary resident. So who is resident, who is ROR, who is NOR? I have made the video and you can watch previous video for determination of residential status. So first point is how to determine the residential status. Second, identify the income exempted under section 10. In this point it is indicated that some type of income is exempted of individual. So in second point we will find out the which income is exempted. Thirdly, compute the income headwise. So in income tax there are five head of income: salary, house property, PGBP means, in simple language we can say profit from business, capital gain, income from other sources. These are the five head income. So total income will be computed. After computation of third point, clubbing of income, section 60 to 64. It means the clubbing of income means the income of the other person will be clubbed with the income of individual. Point 4 indicate total compute income. When we will compute income, point 3 and point 4, it became GTI means gross total income. Point 6 allowed deductions means after the find out the GTI we will deduct the income if it is under section 80C to under section 80U. After that it became NTI means net taxable income, or net taxable income. The income tax will be charged according to the slab rate. After that 4% cess will be applied, and thereafter which income come out, that will be taxable income. So these point indicate how the compute income of individual. This table showing the income tax rate of individual. If individual, there are two types of rate, and in the income tax, if the individual is wanted to adopt the new rate, he may adopt new rate. If individual wanted to continue the existing rate, he may the continue in existing rate. But the difference is that if he adopt the new rate or he choose the new rate, he cannot take deduction in section 80C to 80U. On the other side, if he wanted to continue the existing rate, he may take deduction from section 80C to 80U. So these are the rate if the income is up to 2.5 lakhs. So everyone know up to 2.5 lakh income is income tax is nil. 2.5 to 5 lakh income tax is 5%. 5 lakh to 7.5 income tax is 10%, 7.5 to 10 lakh income tax is 15%, 10 lakh to 12.5 lakh 20%, 12.5 lakh to 15 lakh 25%, and above 15 lakh the income tax will be charged at the rate of 30%. And in existing rate, from 2.5 to 5 lakh 5%, and 5 lakh to 10 lakh there is a one slab 20%, and above the 10 lakh there is a one slab 30 lakh rupees. So these are the rate of income tax rate assessment year 2021 and 2022. So this is a video of assessment of individual. I hope you will like the video. Please like, share to your friends. Thank you.